Yeah, I'm just waiting for some Asian people like me because I think today is a great opportunity. You understand me? Because for the one who don't speak English, because it's a great opportunity to translate and you understand me and
Hmm.
to try to know what's going on, what my people thinking. To you understand me?
Hmm. I think
So.
we've had a brother on the call. He goes to he started even I think as far back as 2018, maybe before then. He was in Burkina Faso
Mhm.
and he was teaching
Which
the young brother Amos Sincere. I don't know if you know him. He's got
no, I don't know him.
some people. I live in Jacksonville, USA, Florida. Some people here have heard of him, but he works with a lot of African kingdoms and governments. So the Sahel, he was based in the Sahel region of Africa, which goes from east to west coast. It's right underneath the Arab countries, but they've been fighting. Now they're fighting to create their own court system. They're creating their
Oh,
own indigenous court system, and you know the word for court in Creole, right?
yes, yes, I know.
Laku. So, so they're creating their own system now, and so now Haiti is in a very good position.
Yes, right now because every Asian from in the Lapu, after Lapu, we got another name. We put for Lapu is uh, habitation. Habitation mean not habitation. Yes,
Yeah. So now we're
like
going. Yeah. Our own
yeah,
meeting system. We're going to have our own meeting system, our own village system based government, and making decisions on criminal crimes and going back to the tradition in Africa. So a lot of people that might mean even the some of the lines, the borders, and the countries that were made up. Some of them might be called illegal if we just combine them. We're going to go back to our own court system and maybe stop being divided. So we can see Africa with two countries or three countries, or it should be easier if we start uniting. So we're starting our own court system now to uh, deal with some of these things like genocide. You know, Sudan is going through it, Burkina Faso, Mali, so Nigeria, Chad. We'll see. We're going to see how many countries we can combine into one, and everyone still get their own space in the tradition. So Haiti, of course, is in the best position because of the culture that survived through the revolution. I know in Jamaica they have one, two, or they have maybe they have some villages that still practice some sort of they call it a Maroon Sovereign Council. It's like a
mm-hmm.
Neg Maroon, but it's only a few villages, and it's not famous, but they have a lot of them in Jamaica. But sometimes they don't agree with the governments. They run their own system, so it's not popular, but they exist throughout Jamaica. Their own village councils uh, run by Maroons.
I want more people listen. I'm so sorry about that. I want more people join the call because you understand me.
Hmm.
So when I feel it's me and you connected in the call, I want more people interact. You understand me? I want
Hmm.
more people see something. You understand me? Because
Uh-huh.
we as a group, you understand me?
Uh-huh.
If we in the group, okay, we know what's going on, we know what is the purpose, okay.
Hmm.
Brother Shizoro or KK always give
Instructions and things.
the interaction was going on because now we want to know what people
Hmm.
thinking. You understand me?
Hmm.
We want to
This.
know what people thinking. What you think? What you got in your mind? What is your opinion? You understand me? I want more
Hmm.
people join the call because
Hmm.
and I feel
I think this forum, because what's going on, most of what's going on is in West Africa. This group was for Southern Africa to try to get them to interact. Because
mm,
one of the things we've been talking for years. We have a brother named Muzaza, but for years we've been saying we've been saying we're going back to the traditions in Africa. We're going back, but for some reason it
They're from who?
Muzaza from Zambia.
Well, from Zambia. Okay.
And Zambia is in Central Africa. It has 7 countries. Everybody's related, but a lot of I don't know if you've been following Ibrahim Traore.
Oh, that's after Ginger Desolin is my
Mhm.
hero because exactly after
Yeah.
Ginger Desolin, Ibrahim Traore is my hero
Wow.
because what is man speaking? You feel you as a black. You feel the black people still alive. He's not a man who got a pants with don't have no ball in it. You
Mhm.
understand me? He's a man who got a ball. He's a man who would name man. You understand me?
Uh-huh.
Not a man who got another character. He's a man who stand up to
Mhm.
unify Africa.
So.
After him, he's a Muhammad Gaddafi.
Mhm.
Yeah, all these president they is my heroes. Every time I got chance, I said it. You see this man there, that make you feel proud. That make you feel you is a black man. You understand me?
Mhm. That that is
All these people there.
well. He's in West Africa and they speak French. That's so. That's a.
Yeah.
But we have those contacts. But if we have a call, sometimes they won't pick up. Amos Sincere, he speaks Creole and I think French. He
Oh,
works with Burkina Faso, and I have somebody else who's I have the president that works to unite the 3 countries: Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger. We have his contact, so maybe you could reach
okay.
out and speak to them about what needs to be done. But because if I make a call, some people won't pick up because we don't speak the same language. But and then in this group, which I was saying, I might have to end it because most of the stuff most of everything's going on in West Africa with Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger, and they speak French. So maybe it's best to just write something and Haiti is very important because English, Creole, French. You guys could just write to the people and translate everything. So maybe we don't need a call. If Haiti is really the center of everything and everybody's understanding that it's time to combine, Haiti would be the center of everything because Haitians speak so many languages. So
Of course, of
mhm.
course we are because not because I'm from Haiti.
Mhm.
When you look at Haiti, Haiti got the most famous of the black story
Mhm.
because every moment right now, I know the situation of Haiti. I know the situation of Haiti is a little bit hard.
Mhm.
The situation of Haiti is difficult. You got a lot of things happening, but the Haitian story is a story. Nobody cannot forget the story because if you want to talk about the black people, you started in Haiti because he is the first black country who stand up, who said no to the slavery. After the Haitian independence, now the United Kingdom, like UK, said, okay, the same thing happening in Haiti with all that happening there, another colonial we got. Them start now to put in freedom for the another for the another colonial. For example, after Haiti, I think it's a Barbados. After Barbados, another then starting to give her freedom to another country because they was fighting. Because when remember Napoleon army at this time was the most powerful army in the world.
Mm.
That means he was control the British army. Napoleon was control all the European army because he have the
Wow.
best army. But at the moment, the news going in the world, the strongest army, the powerful army in the world, beaten by the slavery people. That was a shame for Napoleon. You understand me?
Yes.
That was a big shame for Napoleon. And after that, all the European countries like Spain, UK, who have a colonial, you have a colonial slavery, and the Caribbean, they start to free the people because them say they don't want the same thing happening with them. You understand me? This is the reason at the day, everywhere you're going, and the other Caribbean country you're going, okay, people can say that Haiti got violence, Haiti got gun, but the Asian story is the most amazing story. You understand me? It's the most famous story you can find about the black people because it's the first black country to take their independence. It's the first black country who stand up, who fight for them freedom.
And it's established an empire with
Exactly.
the African traditional religion was there. Dessalines was in charge of all the churches, so he educated everybody. The church,
Exactly.
so the church used to run education, so he replaced the Pope, and he was very brave to do that. In the
Yes.
time when the Pope was running everything, he said, I'm in charge of the churches." So nobody ever forgot that but black people have forgotten, but we need to get back to it. But this is the opportunity that we're waiting for. The Sahel is saying, let's go back to our own coup, our own court system. No more. Probably going to go out of the United Nations and African Union, and they're going to start something that's more based on the family. If we use family, we're all all over Africa very easily. So we could create a new country with Haiti in there, and Haiti is 11 million people. They say maybe more, but majority black, 99% black. So imagine that. Even in America, there's nothing like 11 million black people in one city. So Haiti is the
Exactly.
headquarters that
Did
we've
you
been looking
know?
for. That's
I'm
the
gonna cut you a
headquarters.
little bit short. We cut a little bit short, please. Did you know the Saline was said? The Emperor de Saline? Anyone who running for slavery, you put your feet in the Asian land. You is a free man and you is a black man.
Mm.
That's what he said. And many people was running for slavery. Anyone who was at the slavery running for slavery, you touch the land of Haiti, you're free and you're black.
Hmm.
And then to Saline, what people don't understand, uh, remember the white people still wanted the power because that's a shame for them.
Hmm.
A big shame. And always so, Haiti still helping some African countries got a freedom like a Pan Africanist. You understand me?
Hmm.
I think you got a few country in Africa, like I remember like Ghana, thing like that. Haiti was supposed to open the Pan Africanist because when UK, when France don't give this country freedom, you understand me?
Hmm.
Haiti was supposed to open the Pan Africanist. You understand me? And help
Hmm.
all this country like, got them freedom. So I never said the Haiti job is done, but we do what we're supposed to do. We got something in them story. History can never change. We got it and we still prove it. Today, if you go in and the Caribbean, Haiti got the biggest fortress, the Citadel La Furia,
The Citadel.
the one, the Citadel. That's the one in the Caribbean. No place in the Caribbean who got a structure like that. You understand me?
Hmm.
So what I want people to understand, don't look at Haiti. All Haiti is today for okay, we got gangster, we got all these things like that. But look at Haiti for who Haiti was. Because sorry, brother,
Hmm.
I don't have any problem if at the day, if at the beginning, if Haiti was a country, okay, everybody know he's a country, he's a country where you got a gangster, everything okay at the beginning. But at the beginning, Haiti was the empire. Haiti was the mother of the liberty.
Mm-hmm.
Haiti was the mother of the freedom. This is the reason we have so many countries like Venezuela,
Mm-hmm.
Ecuador, Colombia. We have Panama. The
Mm-hmm.
majority of the South American country got a freedom thanks to Haiti. You understand me?
Colombia.
Because exactly Venezuela,
Mm-hmm.
Ecuador, Peru, Panama, all these country,
They have
and
Haitian
then for
flags
the
too.
exactly. So this is why I told people, okay, today Haiti is broke, but remember, before Haiti was broken, Haiti was a strong structure. So don't look at him today because he's done, he's fall.
Mm-hmm.
But remember where he was before. That was always I tell people. You understand me? So my dream today, brother Okiki,
Mm-hmm.
I want the black people unified. I want the black people come together. Today, today, I feel so shame, brother Okiki. You know why?
Mm-hmm.
I saw a Ghanaian call a Nigerian, go back to your country. Ghanaian and Nigerian is not the same thing. That's a shame.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big shame where you going in Guyana or you going in Trinidad and Tobago. You tell you, oh, you from Barbados, you from Jamaica. You're not from in my country. Go back where you come in. That's a shame.
Mm-hmm.
Today, you see the one black people feel comfortable to bleaching them skin. That means they not feel comfortable with the skin color. That's a shame.
Yes.
Today, you see a woman, for them talking about beauty, then supposed to get a wig, then supposed to get a curly hair. That's a shame.
Mm-hmm.
A real shame. I want the black people to come together.
We need you,
If
man.
we come together, we be strong.
We need you. We need you in Barbados because Haiti is the majority of the black population in the Caribbean. And as far as the islands, if we talk about the islands like Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, and Dominican Republic, you know a lot of Haitians' blood is in Dominican Republic. Haiti is the majority of the islands. You know, Guyana is in South America. It's not an island. Venezuela, Panama, those are that's in South and Central America. So if you're talking about the islands, Haiti is the blackest, the biggest island. So, or I mean, the
So
biggest country. It's half of the island. So we need Haitians, and now Barbados is 300,000 people. I don't know how many Haitians are there, but maybe you know more. I don't know if there's a
I
lot of
think
Haitians there, but we need
I
Barbados
think
too.
Barbados got about 1,000 Asian people. No,
But not a lot.
700. No, no, 700 or 1,000. I think so. You don't have a lot. You don't have a lot of Asian in Barbados.
Wow.
We're not
Okay.
more than 1,000.
Wow. Well,
No, we're not more than 1,000
that's a.
because
Hmm.
each other know each other.
Hmm.
If you got a Asian, I don't know, you just can't understand me. But each other, because me, I'm coming in Barbados in 2018.
Hmm.
I mean,
Wow.
I got 7 years in Barbados right now.
Mm.
So the majority of the Asian people, okay, Etienne, Mrs. Etienne,
Yes, Madam
she
Etienne.
living in Barbados for long because she mother was the first Asian people who was coming in Barbados.
Wow.
This is the reason you can see her living in Barbados for long. But the rest of the Asian people you see in Barbados,
Mm-hmm.
Like me, like another one, you can meet. We come in Barbados in 2018.
Mm.
I mean, we come in Barbados recently in Barbados. You understand me?
Yeah.
We're not much. We are about 1,000. No, we are about 800 or 1,000 people. You don't have much Haitian people in Barbados.
Okay.
So,
So
but
you guys are like our embassy in
it,
Barbados is a key Eastern Caribbean country because in in Eastern Caribbean, only a few countries are maybe 300,000 people or more. Barbados, Bahamas, Guadeloupe, Martinique, and Trinidad. Those are the bigger countries. Everyone else is 50,000, 100,000. So
yeah,
Barbados is one of those bigger countries. And you know Martinique and Guadeloupe, they speak Creole and they're part of the Eastern Caribbean states. So if we have
so you know
Bahamas,
something about the
Barbados.
Caribbean genocide?
Hmm.
Caribbean genocide.
Oh, the Native American.
Caribbean Caribbean genocide is a genocide after the slavery.
Mm.
When the master got about 20 or 50 people working for them, the master will do. You don't have food, you don't have time to feed everybody. And the 50 people, he killed 40, or he killed 49, or he killed 45, and
Wow.
keep the rest. This is the reason. You see, all these islands don't have so much people in it. You understand me?
Wow.
This is the reason. You see, all the Caribbean countries don't have too much people in it. Not because you have too much. You have so much people. Example, Barbados and the slavery time. Because I was read a document. The document said Barbados have and the slavery time about 2 million people. And
Wow.
today, 2025, we got 300,000 people. People who living in the island.
Wow.
You understand me?
Wow.
Is something nobody want to talk about it.
Wow.
There another time I was in the Venezuelan embassy. There was invite me a meeting, and the Barbados Labour Party was invite me a meeting too. But for my age, I am 25 years old. I'm receiving some when I'm this people this thing there. You know when people start to watching you with another eyes, not a good eyes. Like this is the reason I'm just stopping. You understand me? Because brother, okay, I am somebody in my own country. I was a police officer. I,
Hmm.
I was joined the Asian. I was joined the Asian police force as 18. I passed 1 year. In my own country, I got some politician. If today them fight me, they're gonna kill me because I am someone. I'm gonna talk. I'm not
Wow.
going to keep my mouth shut. No, 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 no. If someone taken, you're doing your corruption. You
Hmm.
see Abdullah, you think Abdullah gonna support you? You're wrong. In my own country, my own city, you have one ex-senator, Yuli Latoti. He is the man. This is the reason when I go in my city, I supposed to get bodyguard. You know why?
Wow.
Because I know this man. Because this man was coming to do something in the election day. And the area we was living is the area we don't have no electricity.
Hmm.
It's the area, the road, nothing happening in the area. You understand me?
Hmm.
And this man come in, bring a little bag of rice. And come to tell people vote for him. I say you're supposed to be ashamed for yourself.
Mm-mm-mm.
Because we don't need food. We
Just
need
like Africa,
electricity.
just like Africa, rice, the bag of rice,
Exactly. We
just
got
like
hunger.
Africa.
Come to buy my vote for bag of rice. No. We need electricity. Do the road. You understand me?
See, this is why the Sahel Alliance is important. They're starting to break out. There no more politicians. They're just going to the community and saying, "What do you need? This is what you need. We're going to get it to you."
Exactly.
And they
And
said
give you a good promises.
all this court system, all this democracy that they brought, where you could buy somebody with a bag of rice after the West destroy your rice. After
Exactly.
they destroy your pig, they destroy everything and make the politicians God.
Everything.
So
Mm-hmm.
now this forum, it would have been big. I like that we're talking, but to the next step is maybe just to focus on West Africa because we have Amos Sincere and he's in
Mm-hmm.
Burkina Faso. We have the Burkina Faso government. You know, it's 20 million people, but where we're from, Nigeria is 200 million people, so they're waiting for us. If I text them
Mm.
something, they'll send me information right away. They're big, but they're not as big as Nigeria or the Biafra region, where I'm from, Biafra. And Biafra and Haiti are tied together. So if we talk to each other, eventually Burkina Faso is going to pick up, or Amos and Cyril pick up, or we could even write the government saying, "This is our team of Haitians. We want to teach Creole. We want to spread it across Africa so we can speak better. And we need Haiti." We could write the whole letter, and then they'll reach out to you, and just even it doesn't have to be called, just be writing to each other, and we put the program together because it's what is this? If you've heard of Ibrahim Traore and the Sahel, it's like it's also called Balad al Sudan, which I don't know if you know Arabic. I know you have an Arabic name, but it means the black kingdoms. So the Sahel is the
Black
black
King.
kingdoms. Yeah, Balad al Sudan, Balad al Sudan,
Okay.
the black kingdom. So they're coming together.
Yeah,
Sudan, yeah,
that's a
they're
great
coming
idea.
together, and we need to support them, and they'll support us. So Haiti is like our capital. And then we could get
Oh,
Jamaica.
that's great.
Jamaica, maybe we could get Jamaica if we could get the villages, but that's going to be hard. But that's it. Haiti's our headquarters, and we have some in the USA that are trying to come on board. But Haiti of 11 million black people and out of 44 million Caribbean, that's 25% of the islands is Haitian. So where else will we go? So you know that's why I call it. But sometimes the issue, uh, sometimes Nigerians don't support each other. Sometimes Biafrans don't support each other. Sometimes Haitians don't support each other. But if we could get you on the call, because you've been very consistent, if we get you on the call, we could get Burkina Faso on the call. We get Nigeria, and maybe we could get Amos Sincere if he wants to work together. We could get them. He's already in Burkina Faso. He travels a lot, but if we have Haitians, if we have
I gotta
Burkina,
make you laugh.
yeah,
I gotta make you laugh. Did you know the Asian passport got a C and C? That mean Caribbean community. You understand me?
he said a C rating,
C C C C.
CC,
That
CARICOM.
mean CARICOM or Caribbean community or
Hmm.
CARICOM community.
Yeah.
The CARICOM article 28.9 said anyone, listen carefully, anyone who got a CC passport in your hand, like CARICOM community or Caribbean community, that means CC in your hand, you're free to travel in any Caribbean country without visa,
Mm.
except the Asian people who have this passport who cannot travel in no Caribbean with
Wow.
no visa.
Wow.
Did you understand me?
That's ridiculous. 25% of the country can't travel. Even if you remove Dominican Republic, that means 33% of the CARICOM. That's 11 million out of 33 million. So
Brother Oki,
that's not a. That's why I
last
say
year,
CARICOM is a joke.
last year 2024, in February 2024, I went to Guyana. Guyana sent me back to Barbados. I got a CC passport in my hand.
Wow.
Who told me I
No.
am Caribbean? I am in the Caribbean community. Then say I need a visa to enter in Guyana. Did you see
See,
what part of shame coming from?
you see what Guyana? Well, this is the truth about Guyana. You know who colonized Guyana? I think they
Whew.
still the British are the white King Charles royal family is still in charge of Guyana. King Charles is in charge of Guyana in 2025. He's in charge of Grenada. He's in charge of Jamaica. The white royal family. So they set the policies, and then Haitians who had Dessalines, they had they had two emperors. I forget the one in the. They had a one king Christophe, and they had the Voodoo. They had the families. They had the Lakou. So they have everything set up like
Mm,
Africa. So that's why you'll see Guyana, which is set up by the British and the Indians. you'll see you'll see Guyana be the headquarters of CARICOM instead of Haiti, and then they'll match everything the British way. So that's Trinidad, even Guyana. I think they're fighting with Venezuela. I think I've heard Venezuela has 15 million black people, uh, and so I don't know. USA is trying to invade and bomb them. I don't know. So it's Haiti should be the headquarters of Africa in the West. So that's why we had these calls. And more people are. I think more people are starting to wake up to work together.
exactly.
More Haitians are want to work together with Africa, and you're going to be very key because Barbados is very key area, and if we could get more Haitians in Barbados, and who that could they could start the business in Haiti, they could help us invest in Haiti, and as Africa invest in Haiti and Barbados at the same time. Now you have maybe that's probably 80% of the Caribbean because Barbados is part of if you get Barbados, Bahamas, you get Haiti and Jamaica, you have the rest of the Caribbean. Barbados, Bahamas, Jamaica, Haiti. You'll have that's the most of the Caribbean. Because we have something called Eastern Caribbean States, OECS. Have you heard of them?
Yeah, like a Dominica solution.
Grenada, the Grenada
Um,
Revolution.
Grenada.
Yeah,
Exactly. All of this.
Grenada, they speak Creole, Lakou. They started a Grenada started a revolution based on the Lakou in the village, and they got invaded by the USA. They tried to do
And
something.
we have
Yeah,
the king, the Christophe. Christophe, do you know about
yeah.
him?
King Christoph, he
He
fought
was
here. He fought here in America, like 2 hours from me.
exactly. The story say he was born in Grenada, but at this time, don't care where you born. You was a slave. You don't have nationality at this moment. Grenada was not independent. Like okay, if you born in this place, you got the nationality of this country. You understand me?
Yeah.
But he was born in Grenada. After
Wow.
that, the British master sold him to the French master. This is the reason he arrived in Haiti.
Wow. Wow.
You understand?
Wow. Wow.
The same thing
Wow.
with the same thing with Juti Bookman. Juti Bookman from Jamaica. But
Mm.
we cannot say he was a Jamaican because at this moment Jamaica was not free. And what happened? He came to Haiti. And now we don't Bookman in Haiti now. You understand me?
Yeah. Some say he was born in Senegal and then went to Jamaica. He was then
Uh-huh.
Haiti.
In,
Senegal, Jamaica, Haiti. Dirty
in
bookmark.
Haiti. Yeah, Juti Bookman.
Wow.
So it is what it is.
Yeah. So our next call, I would like it to be with West Africa instead of Central Africa because our brothers in Central Africa, they're following what's going on in the presidents are the ones that are following what's going on with the Sahel kingdoms and Sahel alliance. Ibrahim,
I want you make
yeah,
an announcement. I want you make an announcement like invite more people on the call. On
uh-huh.
the call. You understand me?
Mhm.
Because I want to hear the people opinion. You understand me?
Uh-huh.
I want to hear what the people think. Where you feel if because brother Kiki, you know what I don't want.
Hmm.
Listen, it's better somebody stand up with you, is a good soldier you can fight, or someone who pretend to be a soldier who cannot fight. You
Oh,
understand me?
yeah.
Because we admit that. We admit it. We got a lot of traitor, a lot of black traitor. We got now because let me give you a little story. Did you know in the Haitian Revolution, you have some slave, them prefer to go in another island with the master, die in the slavery, or them prefer to stand up to fight for the liberty? Did you know
Oh,
that? The
no.
same thing. Yes.
Wow.
Them prefer to die in the slavery or stand up for the. Did you know who this Saline was said? This Saline was said he have some slave. Them said if they know them was fighting for the freedom, they will never fight for the freedom. You know what kind of slave is this slave? He is the slave who was working in the house. The
Mm.
housekeeper. You understand me?
The house
The
Negro.
housekeeper slave never care about the slave who working in the or working in the sugar cane, working in the garden. They was not care about the slave because them was not working. All of the another slave was working. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Them prefer to die in the slavery.
Sabi.
Oh God.
Whoa. Wow.
Yeah,
They say
yeah,
they tell us that Malcolm X told us that story. Malcolm X told us his mother was from Grenada too. Malcolm
yeah,
X.
that's true.
He told us we know that story, the field Negro versus the house Negro. So
Exactly.
we have that in Africa too. But it's okay. This our next call. I'm going to invite more. It's going to be more West Africa people. I'm just going to keep you in that group, and I'm going to call. I'm calling people in the USA that want to help. I got invited to people, uh, basically a Laku in DC. They're going to have a meeting. Some of them already work with Ibrahim Traore and the Sahel
Mhm,
Kingdom. So I've got invited by DC, where all the embassies are. I'm talking to place Mississippi area, St. Louis, the Mississippi Delta
mhm,
cities, and I'm talking to Jacksonville, Florida, and Charleston. Which Charleston is famous because they wanted to escape to Barbados and Haiti, and there was they're fighting about it to this day. And Jacksonville, we have the Igbo landing where the Igbos jumped off the slave ship. We have Henry Christoph. They said he was Igbo. He fought for the USA. And we also
mhm,
have Georges Bassau, who he fought here with Cuba.
mhm,
He fought with Cuba and Spain for the Haitian
mhm.
Revolution, and he was fighting America. So we have people who fought for America from Haiti. We have people who fought against America from Haiti here in where I live, a very special place in Florida. Georgia Bassau. He was almost a leader, but Toussaint Louverture was chosen. So
To
Georgia
some of
Georgia Bassau. I don't think he's famous, but uh, he he was one of the leaders, and he fought here in Florida. So it's a special place, and we have USA support now. I just have to make the calls to get everybody on board, but everybody's starting to look at Haiti now because what's going on in Africa. People are saying, "What could we do?" And everybody's saying we could partner with Haiti as the biggest place. Because I don't know if you know about the USA, who
Yeah, I
actually
know a lot of stuff about yeah,
did.
I know a lot of stuff about USA.
Do you know any city that you think is a black city in USA?
Like Louisiana, I will take Louisiana.
Yeah.
Louisiana is one of the black and the famous and up today. I see you got people who speaking Creole in Louisiana. I
Hmm.
wasn't shocked. I wasn't shocked. Yes,
You understood it?
not really. You
Mhm.
understand me? But it got certain word them said, and then
So-
you hear what them tell. Example: Will Smith got a movie making. I forgot this movie about the slave. You see, the wife and Will Smith speak Creole. I said,
Mm.
whoa. What happened is
Yes.
that's wonderful.
Yes. And they have
That's
a partnership.
wonderful.
You know, one of the cities,
Exactly.
well, that area, you're very right, because that area is called Mississippi Delta, because there's a Mississippi River which connects different cities, and Louisiana, New Orleans is one of the cities with Creole. This it connects
In New Orleans, yeah, that's true. In
New
New Orleans
Orleans,
too speak Creole.
New
Oh,
Orleans, Baton Rouge, Mississippi Creole, St. Louis Creole. Uh, we have those cities in the. I have to talk to those cities. I have to talk to Washington D.C. I have to talk to Jacksonville. So it's maybe five cities, maybe 5 or 6 cities I'm talking to in USA, but they're all connected. So I have to talk to them, which is going to take time. But I
I
have
gotta make you laugh again.
our
People
next.
said,
Oh, let
oh,
me just
sorry
say,
for that.
let me just say, our next call with you would probably be in with Africa, because if we can get, I would like to get Amos Sincere involved, but I'm not sure, because sometimes you never know. Some people want to do their own thing, but we have the next call. If we have you in Barbados and Haiti on the call, that would be very good. But we're having more people from Haiti. We have to connect with Haiti if we're serious as Africa. So that's 11 million people of our people in one place. So that's our
Yeah,
next call.
that's true.
Our next call is going to be West Africa if we have a call together, and I'm probably just going to uh, just change you to be in that
Can I
group.
give you a can I give you a little joke
Hmm.
before we move in?
Hmm.
People said the Creole is a broke French. That means Creole is coming from the French roots. Okay, but why Burkina Faso and another country who, okay, French was colonized and then never speak Creole?
Uh huh.
Now, why they never speak Creole? Because Creole is a language. It is a popular language for people created, not coming from in French. He got
Mm.
so many country. He got so many country who was colonized by the French people. They never speak Creole. You
Wow.
know, first, let me give you Saint Lucia never colonized by the French, but the Saint Lucians speak Creole.
Hmm.
Grenada never colonized by French like that. And then speak Creole. Venezuela speak Creole.
Wow.
Trinidad, you find people speak Creole, but they never colonized by the French people.
Venezuela, they speak Creole.
Exactly. You will
Wow.
find people who speak Creole in Venezuela.
The Africans.
Exactly.
Wow. I did not know that. And that
I
Venezuela's in the.
wasn't sure too.
You know, Venezuela's in the news with the USA right now.
I know. That's another story. We're gonna take that in
That's the
another call.
reason why, because they're connected to Haiti.
Exactly.
That and the
Exactly.
USA like to throw stones, and they hide their hands, but they're always attacking Haiti
I
and
was
Haitian
asked this
island.
question. I was asked this question, Brother Okiki. I said, Netanyahu or Nicolas Maduro, which one was supposed to go in jail? Which one was the problem? The Prime Minister of Israel, who doing
Man,
genocide every day, or the Nicolas Maduro? Which
mm,
one was supposed to go to the jail?
the one with the African blood. That's the one they're looking at.
You understand me?
Mm-mm-mm.
Oh, Brother Okiki.
That's why we're on the phone, and I'm surprised Barbados doesn't have a Haitian embassy. That's why I'm reaching out to Marie. I'm reaching out to you because we need. If we have Barbados with African culture, we'll have the whole Caribbean.
What
'Cause-
happened is, sorry, brother. What happened is, you remember Haiti right now, don't have any government
Mhm,
because we supposed to get a stable government first in Haiti. Now, or we're gonna play the diplomacy now. You understand me? When we
mhm,
play the diplomacy now, Barbados and Haiti we connect straight to straight. You understand me? Now we can have an embassy in Barbados. But right now, for to tell you the truth, we don't have a government in Haiti. If you don't have any government in Haiti, we cannot say if one country don't have government, this country can have no diplomacy. You understand me?
Yeah, yes.
So, but in Barbados, we have me, we have Mrs. Etienne, we
Hmm.
have another one we call Joshua.
Hmm.
All of we represent Haiti many times. I represent Haiti in the Barbados Parliament already. I'm representing Haiti at the Venezuelan embassy with a meeting with the President Nicolas Maduro. I'm representing Haiti and the Barbados Labor Party already.
Hmm.
And Joshua was in the CARICOM meeting. Mrs. Etienne was in the. We do what we can do, but right now what happened is we don't have a government.
Hmm.
We need a government first. When we got government, now we can say we can open up a real embassy in Barbados. So right now, now when we got a real embassy, now we can play the diplomacy between Barbados and Haiti. You understand me?
Hmm. So
So
that's good.
we
Because
need a
well,
government first.
Haiti is 11 million people, maybe even more. That's what they're reporting.
It's not
The
12 million people.
12
12
million.
million people 10 million living in the country. No, 9 million living in the country. The rest are living in overseas.
Okay. So
Mhm.
the Sahel Alliance, the three countries that are working for Africa, so much. The Sahel Alliance is 81 million people. So
Uh,
81 is Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali Empire.
mm,
So it's six. It's the six. The numbers are six times Haiti. So and then where I'm from, that's another 70 million people. And Nigeria is 200 million people. So this is the perfect time. Even though a lot of times Nigeria, we have different countries and empires. We all have our own opinion. This is the perfect time for Africa to say, okay, this is how we should set up our court system. And Haitian, our brothers in Haiti, this is how we do it. Let's sit down and talk about it. How we should all work together and have a new government that matches each other. And
yeah, that's true. That was a great idea.
it's a good time where we could reset everything to say this is how it should work together. And we all share the notes. Nigeria, Biafra, the Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso, and that's what everybody's looking at. Can Haiti jump on board? Can we get Haiti at one time? We have to do it. So, but this forum. I know people didn't pick up the call. I apologize, but this was because our brothers in Central Africa are very important. But sometimes the way it looks like it has to start in West Africa first, and then Central Africa they copy what we're doing. But that's what it looks like because Botswana, which is maybe 2 or 3 million people, they were talking about Ibrahim.
Wow.
They were talking about Ibrahim Traore, and they're talking about their diamonds and getting everything in control. So I invited the grassroots people, but it looks like their presidents are the ones that really are following us in West Africa, and I think we just have to focus on West Africa, and everybody else will follow West Africa and Haiti. We have people in USA, and Brazil has their own. They have a lot of black people. They have their own maroon territories. They call it Quilombo. They have land and maroons. They're Neg Maroon. So Panama too. So it's good. We just have to focus on Haiti, a few other islands, and West Africa, and everything. Everybody's going to follow what's going on.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But so I think I'm talking to my brothers. I'm going to talk to our brothers, but because everything's moving so fast, they just said they're going to create their own court system in the Sahel court system. So I want to. The next time we'll talk, it'll probably be in a West Africa group where more people will pick up. So this was a Central Africa group, but they're following what we're doing in West Africa. And that's how it goes. So if West Africa and Haiti come together, it's a wrap. And Barbados. And what happened, nobody promoted it, or not a lot of people promoted it, but Grenada, St. Lucia, Martinique, British Virgin
Mm-hmm.
Islands, they joined Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
They signed a deal to be
Whoa, that's good.
they signed a deal to be part of Nigeria. So if we have Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Mali Empire, Haitian Empire,
I
You have
cannot lie with
Barbados.
you.
It's the United States of Africa overnight.
I cannot lie with you. I want my Burkina Faso passport.
Uh huh.
I want my Burkina Faso passport. I want a one African country passport. I
Yeah,
don't know
I have
whoever. I want a passport of one of these countries.
I have maybe four documents, but one of them has the Burkina Faso president. He's the president of. He's not a. They have the military president, but he's the president of making the countries work together. So he helps
Okay.
organize the parliaments and things to work together. So he's a different type of
Okay.
president of the ministers, and he speaks French. He types French. I don't know if you could type and speak French, but we have his number. He shares
Oh, I
it all the
do. I
time.
do.
So
I do.
I could share that. And if it's what a lot of them are related to Nigeria. Burkina Faso is basically northern Nigeria as far as the families. They have
Mm-hmm.
we have the Borgu Empire in Nigeria, the Borgu Kingdom, and they have a state in Burkina Faso called Borgu
Bogu.
province. So it's the same people. So
Oh, okay.
everybody's waiting on Nigeria to say, do we support Burkina Faso? So that's why I'm coming here, because it's controversial to say, hey, black countries are going to work together. But our headquarters in Nigeria, they have a state in Burkina Faso. It's the same people, same kingdoms, just a different. They're spread out across Africa. So we're all one people. And if you talk to him, you could say, I'm working with this Nigeria team. We have the Nigeria blood. We all have the blood of the Niger River in West Africa. So East Africa is working with us. It's all in the documents, but I could give you his contact, and you talk to each other, and uh, that will be the connection. And we have to figure out also. This is important. We're going to try to. We're pushing the battery is stock market, U.S. stock market, where
Mm-hmm.
we're looking to get the. If you don't have a computer, you have your phone, but
Mm-hmm.
we start investing our money, and if it could work in Africa and the Caribbean, that'll make us go faster. We start making our money, it'll grow because people are telling us how to. They're analyzing the stock market and the fluctuations, and we're making a profit. So if we have entire countries and cities and provinces doing it, 1,000 people here, 1,000 people there. Now we're going to start having a treasury in our city, in our village, where we can make money off our phones. And I know you've heard of Conbits, Susu, everywhere. Everybody works together at the local level.
Yeah, that's true too.
So we make
Mm-hmm.
money on our
That's true.
phones. It's starting in January 2nd. We're having a call on it about it on October 6th. Now the people teaching it, they don't have the same politics, but they're just teaching how to make money on our phones. And then once we learn it, we could put our own politics on it as far as not political party, but saying this is the rules that we're going to operate by, the policies we put in place as African people. So we're going to be talking to you a lot because Haiti is there's no country like Haiti as far as the numbers and the African people in one place. So we're going to be talking to you guys a lot, like a capital. Really, it's the central capital of Africa because you could go to North America, you could go to Africa, you could go to South America, Central America from Haiti. You go through all the Americas, you go to Africa through Haiti. It's easy.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So even where I'm from in Niger River, we have the Congo River, and people came from Nigeria all the way to Congo and South Africa. We're all related. So it's very easy now you're seeing stuff move fast in Africa. It's because we're related. A lot of the kingdoms and the houses are related. Now we're looking at what's the headquarters in the West, and people are saying Haiti.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
So we know we're gonna be in the news, and the people are gonna be talking about invading Haiti and Venezuela and Jamaica and Grenada. They're always trying to invade us because the connection
You know the
Haiti
king,
has to everybody.
you know the emperor of Somalia,
The emperor.
Selassie,
Oh,
Selassie,
Haiti, Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, not Somalia. Sorry, my bad. You know when he come in and Haiti, what he was said in 1964, I think. He said he feel happy to put his feet in the land.
Yeah, of Haiti.
He feel happy to put his feet on the land where God was give this country a key of the world center. He said Haiti is the half quarter of the world.
Mm.
It's a way you put your feet in Haiti, you feel the connection of your ancestor. That's a
Ah.
powerful word what this man said.
Mm-hmm.
Haiti is so powerful. The Pope is one Pope who will decide to visit Haiti. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
The airplane who carry the Pope in Haiti get off in Port-au-Prince. When the door is open, you know the tent the Pope got in the head. Huh? I
The
don't know what name this tent. The
You
tent you
said
see the Pope is still.
The Pope got out in Port-au-Prince, and what happened?
He got some the Pope got some you see the tent the Pope people using. I don't know what name. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
A breeze pass and take off that in your head.
A breeze passed and took off his hat. Oh, his hat.
And his heart. You understand me?
Uh-huh.
He's supposed to come in and Haiti
uh,
for 2 days. He's supposed to come in Haiti for 2 days. Man spend 24 hours and he go back quickly in Italy. When he go back in Italy, he got head attack.
oh,
You
wow.
understand me?
He couldn't take it. Oh, shit. He couldn't
Oh
take
Lord.
it. He couldn't take it. It's too African for him.
He go back home, he got head attack.
Oh, are you serious?
Exactly. I'm not
Um,
lying. It's not a story. It's not a story. I mean, I just said. You can ask anybody. The first time the Pope went to Haiti, what happened with the Pope? He going in Port-au-Prince, but the
uh,
people opened the door. What the, what the people opened the door of the airplane for him?
yeah.
He had he gotta the breeze pass like that and take off the hat.
Uh-huh.
People supposed to run in and keep that for him,
Uh-huh.
and then he fall in the ground. He fallen on the ground, and people supposed to keep it. He coming and Haiti for 2 days. He's supposed to spend 24 hours, 1 day, and he go back quickly in his country. When he go back, he got heart attack.
Well, I think that's because even the first constitution, it said the head of the church is the emperor.
He put his feet like that in the land.
Yeah, the
No,
emperor.
sir.
Yeah, the pope doesn't have any power in Haiti.
This land, many people die for this land already. You cannot come in this land like that, sir. No,
Wow,
no, 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 no. You
wow.
take it easy.
This is a very important call because I didn't know all that. Everything you told me, you work with the parliaments, you work with you represent Haiti at CARICOM in Venezuela.
Uh-huh.
Because
Venezuela.
Venezuela has islands too, so they're part of the Caribbean. They
Yeah,
have
that part of.
islands. So it's very, very important call. I did not know all these things, and even I want to. You could, I could send you the contact on WhatsApp if you want to just build a friendship with the guy and tell him,
Okay, no problem.
because greetings, Prince Will.
Greetings.
Greetings. This was our Bantu call in Central Africa. Guess who picked up? Our brothers in Haiti.
All right.
Our brothers in Haiti, they're telling me how they work because 11 million people are Haitians and they're the biggest island. So they're saying he's in Barbados, another Igbo island with 300,000 people. It's like a small local government. He represents Haiti in the parliament in the small island of Barbados, and so that's how they do it. Just they invite. It's like local government area in Nigeria, but Barbados has is in United Nations and all that things. But he's a strong brother, and he was telling us how we have to move, and we were talking about West Africa and the Sahel, and I was telling him he needs to reach out to the Sahel. But now you're here. We want to have an Igbo call. We're gonna all work
That's
together.
good.
We're gonna see how we can work together because the Sahel just said they're going to traditional courts, and Haiti is famous for that. They call it the Lakou system. Every village, every community is organized with traditional courts. I think that we could call it Oha or Mbara in Igbo, the open court in the village. So Haiti has the strongest African court system in the Caribbean. So Sahel, they both speak French. We're going to see if we can connect West Africa and Haiti. And the USA is working with us. So everything is going good. Everything's moving fast. And brother Prince,
Yeah, that's good.
Prince Will, I want you to represent us in the Igbo court town hall. I know you represent Abba Nuaru.
Yes, that's,
Yeah. So you represent
uh,
us in those courts when we start talking.
yeah, sure. Sure, sure. Sure. Yeah.
So that's going to be our future calls. I have to talk to USA more, but I got invited to a think tank on Thursday with DC, and yeah, USA. I'm getting calls. We got Haiti and Barbados here, and
What's the name of the second person?
brother Abdullah from Haiti.
Abdullah.
All right. All right, brother. Greetings, brother, man.
To meet you, brother.
Yeah. Nice to be in the meeting with you.
Oh, thank you,
Uh,
thank you,
I'm
thank
not
you, thank
aware of
you.
the meeting. I just woke up and I discovered that there's a meeting going on. So I had to join
Thank
you
you,
guys tonight. Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Abdullah wanted to initiate it, and this is the first. A lot of Haitians in Haiti or in the Caribbean, they speak the French pidgin or Creole. It's their own African language, but it has a lot of French in
All
it.
right.
So a lot of times the communication is hard. But he can speak English, he can speak Creole, he can speak French. So Haiti is our headquarters, really.
I can speak Spanish too.
See?
Right.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can speak Spanish? Wow, that's pretty nice of you. I speak, I can only speak English.
Because I'm living in Barbados for long. I'm living in Barbados for about 7 years. So this
Oh,
is the
really?
reason I speak English. Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. That was cool. That's good. I love that. It's good to speak different language,
It's
so
good
you can
because that helps you
interact
to
with so many
communicate.
people. Yeah.
Uh, when you speak different language here, sometimes you got an emergency. Another
What did you
person
say?
speak. Follow me. I said when you speak many language, so you got an emergency or you want to say something, like you don't want another person hear what you say. It's good for you. You understand me? So, or if you want to translate for someone, it's good for you too. So, all when you speak many language, like you got the diversity that can help you to communicate to another person. I love it, and I
Yeah.
want to speak more too. I want to speak more language.
Susu
That's
Igbo.
cool.
Yeah. Hey, brother Prince Will. I know
Yeah.
maybe you could interview him.
All right.
Maybe you can interview him because Haiti is 11 million people. It's very, very
Oh, that's
important.
good.
There's no city in USA like it. There's nothing, even in South America, there's no place with 11 million black people in one
I
place.
guess it's from Jamaica, right? Are
Haiti,
you from Jamaica? Are you from
Haiti.
Jamaica?
No, I'm not Jamaican. I'm Asian. I'm from Haiti.
Haiti. All right. All right. All right.
Haiti, the Empire of Haiti. That they're the one. Haiti fought slavery from France, Britain, Spain, and whipped them all, whipped all of them.
Oh.
So that's why a lot of even Bill Clinton, he came to Haiti and he killed all the pigs. He killed all the farming. He destroyed the rice. And now they're talking to us that politicians come to them with bags of rice,
They're
just like
coming a bag of rice
just like
to
Nigeria.
buy to bag of rice and come and tell you, oh, vote for me. We don't need it. We don't need a bag of rice from overseas. We can make our own rice. We can make it. Why are you supposed to put electricity, put a good education for people? Because the Western dream is broke your country, make your country done, and you going in them country to begging. That all them want. You understand me? So, so if people put you on the power, you're supposed to work for the people. Because Haiti is a democratic country, it's a democracy. And the democracy is not you who take the power, it's the people who put you on the power. You should know that.
This is
I tell
very
you the
exciting.
truth.
Greetings, Trevor, brother Trevor. Uh-oh. We have brother Trevor from Zambia. I don't know if he's in rural area. I think brother Prince he's having connection issues. Greetings, Trevor. Are you there?
Ye- I'm there. I'm here. I'm here. Greetings to you.
Greetings. I've been waiting to hear from you. How?
I'm not having connection issues.
Okay. Trevor, can you tell us what's been going on? Because we've been trying to connect to you in Zambia. Can, can you speak, Trevor?
Yes. Yes. It's so. It's the issue of connection. I'm where I am. There's bad deception.
I see. I see. Okay. Uh, things are moving fast. Ah, I think I don't know the way forward because brother Trevor is in Zambia, which is Central Africa. We have DRC Congo, which is we know there's a lot of genocide and wealth being stolen, and the churches are helping them or not helping them. Zambia is connected to DRC, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Botswana with the diamonds and the Bantu culture. So the area is very important, but if we have connection issues, that's going to hurt. Because one thing we talked about is the stock market teaching everybody. Well, these countries we have villages and kingdoms and communities that have 100 people, 1,000 people that could get on one system to make money together. So that was the central focus of everything we're doing, trying to make money to help us make these programs work together. Uh, to free up our time and things like that, we need the money. So that's something we have to focus on, brother Trevor. I know you said I know you attended one meeting with as far as the stock market, but I think we're going to rely on brother Abdullah and people in the West to help us with that. People who are dedicated to help us get the programs, see how we could get into Haiti, into Africa with the stock market. So we're going to rely on brother Abdullah a lot, I think, because he's one of our people in the Caribbean that are serious. And I have to talk to the USA more, but that we have to get the program started in the USA, the Caribbean, and Africa at one time. So Brother Trevor, I know you've been putting a lot of effort and support over the years. We just have to make it work. So if you have a connectivity issue, we need somebody who doesn't have connectivity issue. We need somebody who has access to the kings and the chiefs, and everybody knows what's going on. Uh, Everybody has to know what's going on in Zambia to move forward with Zambia at this point. So, because West Africa is moving fast. So I rest my case, but I'll let you speak, or you can speak next. Um, I rest my mic.
Okay, thank you so much. I guess checking on the group, I think I've organized quite a lot of number of people just within Zambia who can also just take it up when I'm offline. Yeah, I think so. So far, if you check, I think all the three countries are represented. That the Zambia, Zimbabwe, even Botswana. So I guess think we're out of time, but we will have to see how we can push my people around. On the ground, they're connected to traditional chiefs, so that's one of the advantages. So I don't know how I can get help from Abdullah, even Prince Yu, to just try to boost up with the people that you have in the group. I guess it's somewhere best team for me. It really put me online.
Brother, you said you have access to the chiefs on ground.
Yes, like I've got the chiefs on ground. As you can see, like in the checking the groups, in the group, those people that I added, they're from Zambia with local chiefs connections. Yes, most of them they're part of the secretarial. Even those from Botswana, they're also connected. Even from Zimbabwe, they're also connected to the chiefs. So that's why I see to be a move that can really boost us up.
Let's see. This is very good, brother Abdullah. See that we waited for an hour, but we have Central Africa on the call, and we have the information. We have the traditional courts of the Laku of Zambia, Botswana, and Zimbabwe wanting to work with Haiti, and it's good. We have West Africa, we have Haiti, we have Central Africa on one call, and we'll work on USA. But this is what we needed in Africa. So it's brother Abdullah. Barbados technology and connection is better than Zambia in some places, and Zimbabwe in some places. So if we create the program, it can move from the Caribbean to Africa, Central Africa. We have West Africa on the call. It'll be simple, I think. The Caribbean is key, and Haiti is key. And Brother Abdullah, I think, even if it's only 1,000 Haitians in Barbados, it could change the world if we work. You just got to keep talking and see what happened today. It took an hour, but we got our brother on the phone and he explained everything.
For I tell you the truth, good night, Mr. Trevor. Uh, Brother Trevor, let me tell you the truth, Okiki. Brother Okiki, in the 1,000 Asian who got in Barbados, I'm not promised you. Only when I know 20 can stand up with me. You understand me? When I said 20, because the rest will come in after. Because the majority of the Asian people, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to guard them. Especially the one who's a Christian one. You understand me?
Yes.
So the one is a Christian. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. I cannot say in the 1,000 you can find 500. No, maybe 20. Maybe 20. So that's a little bit hard.
20 is more than enough to do to contact Africa because we have families that are 1,000, 2,000, 100,000. We could organize. Even the Sahel Alliance is 81 million people, so we could organize. We just need a few people, good people in the West, to help us get the message out. So we'll take 20 Haitians in Barbados. and we'll take 20 Haitians in Barbados. That's more than enough.
Yeah, that's true. So I don't know if somebody got something else to say because you know uh, I was starting the call. I don't know if someone got something to say then before we move in.
It's good.
So,
I just have to
but
work on I have to work on USA, but this was a very good call. We could keep this open, brother. Prince
wow.
Yakubu, greetings.
Greetings, my lord.
We have
Greeting.
we have our brother from Haiti and Barbados on the call. We have Prince Will. We have a brother Trevor from Central Africa, Zambia, and he told us he had the chiefs of Zimbabwe and Botswana ready to work together. And we have our brother from Barbados and Haiti, and we have Prince Yakubu from the Borgu Empire. We mentioned has a state. They have their own state in Burkina Faso called Bogu, the Bogu province. So everybody was saying they're all related. He's the one we've been working with for maybe 6-7 years, and he's before Burkina Faso became famous. But they have a state in Burkina Faso, so I think Prince will drop. But yes, we've been saying the stock market is central. Brother Prince Yakubu is serious about it. Brother Trevor is serious about it. So we're saying let's focus everything on the stock market now that we see Africa uniting. Let's put one program together. And that's going to be our next step. And I have to talk to the USA about it. But even the USA, I've been talking for months and years. They're starting to get serious now. So my next calls will be the USA. And we don't have to call another Africa call because now everybody's here and everybody's touch bases that we're going to be moving on the stock market and seeing how to make money for each other. The Zambia has an AME, African American Church government. They use their government through the church before they could vote in USA. They created churches to go all over Africa, and Zambia has one. So we're all connected now, and I think that has to be the focus. Trevor is serious about it. Prince Yakubu is serious about it. They need money to carry out the programs. We have a constitution. It says basketball is there. It says self-defense is there. Security, military, traditional chiefs and kings, secretary. So we have a constitution there. And our next step and it's going to be me contacting our brother in the USA. But this is what it takes. Brother Abdullah said he had free time and he made a call, and then we had all Africa on the call. That's what we've been missing for a long time. So thank you, brother Abdullah. I don't know if anyone has anything else to say, but that's to me that's exactly what we needed. We got everyone on the call to explain what's going on.
Okay, yeah. So thank you so much. Otherwise, I think it's just the other part is maybe on Central African time. I think people really need to really push on the time frame that we need to be like online. So I guess at this point, let there be information that can be sent like in the group or through me. Then I guess we'll be seeing how people will be responding. So I think with a call, it's quite difficult for some, but if information is put the way we are having now, it will be easier. Otherwise, thank you so much. We are really on the ground. We are ready. We need to push this thing up.
Well, I think this explains a lot. Brother Abdullah, I think is very key, even though he says there's only 20 Haitians on ground to support, but he has Barbados Parliament. He has a lot of people in his network where he works like a government person in Barbados. So we can say we have a couple 100,000 to the Parliament. We have a strong presence in Barbados, even though
Yeah, I got some person, some people like MP, Trevor Prescott.
Mhm.
I got a Mrs. Etienne. What happened is right now I'm really in Haiti. You understand me? Because the first time I do it ready, the first time I do I'm represent Haiti and the Barbados Parliament ready. I'm represent Haiti and the Barbados Labour Party,
Mhm.
the LP, and I represent Haiti and the Venezuelan embassy in Barbados.
Mhm.
This Venezuelan embassy I was representing Haiti. You do all these things for sure, but what happened is now then don't have too much impact. Why is it then don't have too much impact? Yeah, you do it, you go in the news, people see the news, but you don't have I don't have a government in my country. You understand me?
Mhm.
If I have a government, after all this meeting, okay, we sign it, we decide something, we decide something good, something else. You understand me?
Mhm.
That we hurting some people, but we don't have the government in Haiti now. You understand me? So
It's gonna be
go in Barbados Parliament, go to the Venezuelan in Venezuela, go to another place to that don't have too much impact. You understand me? Did you
well,
understand where I'm coming from?
I wanted to ask because we know they say there's a transitional government and it's not elected by the people.
Exactly. So this government is not legal.
Yeah.
They cannot take any decision. You understand me? Because
Yeah.
it's not elected by people. Because remember, Haiti is a is a republic of Haiti, and the republic will find something in them democracy
Mhm.
for long. Let me see. The president, Jovenel Moises, presidents of Haiti. After them kill the president, this country never got election. You understand me?
Yeah.
So this is the reason now I cannot play my diplomacy. My diplomacy not so strong because government. You understand me?
Mhm.
If I have a government, if I have a government like a legal government in my country, my diplomacy will go so far. You understand me?
Mhm.
Only one is when I go in all this meeting and the parliament and the embassy, people apply, so people greeting you, people say, okay, that's a good thing. You say, you understand me?
Mhm.
Okay, people put you on the news, but nothing else, nothing happening because really, photo, I'm not working for the Haitian government. You understand me?
Mhm.
I just doing thing because I'm just a one who is the brave one.
Okay.
Because I am the brave one, I am the one who not frightened to talk. This is the reason I have connection. You understand me? This connection bring me another connection. And you see people start to talking to me and people know me. You understand me? Not because the government, the Asian government put me in Barbados to. No, 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 no.
We have to keep working because, like we said, it made the news. The Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, including
Mm-hmm.
which speaks mostly Creole, is like Haitians in the East.
Mm-hmm.
They joined Nigeria Federation because there's a lot of intimidation going on in the Caribbean, saying they can't work with Cuba and they can't work with Africa. So they went to Africa.
Oh.
That's about 1 million people, Eastern Caribbean states. Um, then if we have Haitians, and even yourself is you're not elected, but we just Haitians who have connection to the village, and we can start to try to do
Mm.
programs and travel. That's going to be the future system that we're working on, working with the villages, the traditional sector, the rural sector. That's where everything is headed towards in Africa. So that's the future. Even parliaments, we might have to change the structure of parliament to work better for the people. That's what people are trying to do in Burkina Faso. Maurice Bishop, he did it. He called it the village assembly or the assembly of the people. So we've been using a lot of people have been trying the village system in the Caribbean, African system of government, but a lot of times they get taken down. But right now with Haiti, we could try to do that. Burkina Faso is trying to do that. So we're going to see how we can make a government work using the village system where people can farm, they could have their pigs again, they could have rice again, farming. But a lot of it, it's the USA has messed up a lot of that in Haiti. But we're going to come together to fix everything. So I don't have much to say. I want to take the information, and I want to probably I'm going to upload this to YouTube even, this, and say that I'm going to take notes, and I'm going to talk to people in USA that we met, and we have to move forward because the stock market, which we've been talking about for years, now people are going to look at it and say this is something that can help Africa, this could help Burkina Faso. People are taking it seriously now. So, so that's it. This was a very good call, and yeah, I don't know if there's anything else, Prince Yakubu, if you want to say anything. But we've been, brother,
Yes, my lord. Thank you for having me here. Long time.
a
It's
very
been a
long
very
time.
long time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
my
we
lord.
made progress. Burkina Faso is doing all the work.
Yeah, yeah. I have been following the progress. I have been following that progress.
Do you know
So,
that there's a Bogu province in Burkina Faso?
Burkina Faso. Yeah, I know about that.
I don't know. I don't know. There's a place in Ghana called Bogu Tenga. Boga.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. They say Tenga is a word over there in Burkina Faso for village. So I was wondering if
Mm,
Boga Tenga is Bogu village, but
yeah,
I don't know. But probably not. But Ghana has there's something called Bisaku, Bisa place, and I think they're fighting to say who belongs where in Ghana. There's a
yeah,
Bogu,
yeah,
yeah. So, but this was very smart that we started in Borgu and New Bussa, because now we have a place in Burkina Faso right when everybody's coming together, and Benin has a Borgu department, of course. So everything's coming together. the
yeah.
mo-
Definitely. Lord, I just want to ask, how far you have gone about the issue of this stock market of a thing.
Okay, with the stock market now, they're saying that the teachers are saying that January 2nd they're going to launch signals. You, you
Okay.
you know signals where they send out their information and everybody just follows the play.
Yeah, when the stock to buy and
Mhm.
when to sell.
So this is important. With some of us,
Yeah,
a lot of us we could be working that time, and we might not be able to make the play. But
yeah, yeah,
maybe if we send the money to people beforehand, like yourself and others,
yeah,
we have teams that can make the play for us, and then based on
yeah,
the play, they redistribute the money. Now that would be
yeah, yeah.
that'd be based on trust and maybe, but we
It
need a
has it has to be based on trust, utmost trust, my lord.
so we have to have a system to redistribute the money, and
Yeah,
maybe of course along the way there'll be legal agreements, but that's what we need. That's
yeah,
why I made
yeah. I
yeah.
suggest, yeah, my lord. I suggest there should be a legal agreement, a kind of MOU.
Mm-hmm.
Before we send money to anybody, I think there should be an MOU, a legal agreement.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, by so doing, I think you are the safer side.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah, that
we have to think about it because you're in agreement, Trevor's in agreement as far as the
yeah,
stock market being the focus. Like
yeah,
I mean, let me not say agreement. You guys are very focused on the stock market. That's what we need at this point because
yeah, yeah,
everybody's assembled. Every community has been in contact. The USA, I have to contact a little bit more, but the thing launches in January 2nd, and right now it's October. So October, November, December. That's 3 months. So every day, we work at it, if I work at it, we're going to get the USA team, and we're going to get the stock market ideas great
yeah,
in place, and then from there it's Barbados and Haiti. It's Borgu. It's Igbo land. Well, we can say the communities in Nigeria. Uh,
Yeah, my lord. I think if we're established in the stock market and we're beginning to get profits, I think going forward, traveling will never be an issue. Because I
Exactly,
think
ever.
we've been discussing about traveling one other time.
And it would be easier
So yeah,
if the kingdoms, like that you presented to the kingdoms as a write up that you're traveling to Burkina Faso, and
yeah,
internationally. If we announce it in the international media, it'll be more
yeah,
protection.
yeah.
Yeah.
Greetings, brother Trevor.
Greetings. I'm back. I'm back.
Greetings.
You-
Yeah.
I think starting on Monday, I'll be in the area which is okay. I'll be back in the cities now.
Okay. You're gonna be in Lusaka.
Yeah. I've been like in Livingston. I've been Livingston.
Okay. 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 Livingston,
Yeah.
is that a Barotsi land?
Uh, the one near the one near Zimbabwe.
Oh, you're in Livingston, Zimbabwe.
Yes, yeah, Livingston near Zimbabwe. Yes, yes.
Okay. 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 Do you have connection to Zamcom? I was just curious.
Zamcom. I might have, but not here on the ground.
It's okay. It's okay, but it's okay. But it was just it's okay. Um, yeah, we have brother Prince Yakubu. He's our headquarter leader for the Niger River. He has connections to Benin, Ghana, Burkina Faso. He's based in northwest Nigeria. So, that's 200 million people there. So we're very good. We have Central Africa, we have West Africa, we have Haiti, the Caribbean. Now the USA is more complicated because all our countries are mostly black, majority 99% black, and families and ancient communities. So USA is a little bit different. Well, it's very different. But our people are here, and I'm going to. It's going to take some time to get back to you guys, but I'm going to make calls to USA brothers and sisters. In fact, there's a call. I don't know. It might have ended, but I was scheduled to be on a call today, and I felt it was very important. More important, I have to say. But yeah, our USA is where the stock market is based, and we're going to. I have to talk to people here, and we have to start merging the calls. Um, so we have a Caribbean block, we have a West Africa block, we have Central Africa block now, and I have to just start merging the calls and seeing how we could who's. I have to narrow it down in the USA, but I think I know how to do it. There's a place called Jacksonville and Charleston. I could have a call there, and then merge the calls with our people in Central Africa, Caribbean, and West Africa. So it won't be an issue when we're ready in the USA. We'll merge the calls, probably attach you guys to the USA forums, and we just move that way. Um, yeah. So I have to make calls in the USA going forward. I got invited to a music session in Jacksonville, Florida. So Jacksonville, Florida is serious. So we're meeting. We're doing events. Charleston, South Carolina, and then some Mississippi Delta area. We're going to be doing that. So I don't have anything much to say, but I want to thank Brother
Yeah,
Abdullah.
yeah, my lord. I think before I forget,
Yes.
I am beginning to think if I can or if we can organize the second edition of the Borgu basketball uh, festival we did before the tournament that's going to be for the upcoming Borgugani Dabar festival that's coming up next month.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah,
that.
yeah. Because the basketball team sometimes they reach out to me. I there was a time I was giving you a report about the basketball team.
Yeah.
But I
Is
after the first tournament, I was given like a board of director
position.
to
Is
to the
is it
team.
is it
So
possible that I could speak with them directly, because this is also part of the thing where the basketball players should be knowing everything that's going on as far as even the stock market, like where they would be
yeah,
able
yeah,
to participate, and now they're raising their own funds. Because to be honest, I don't have spare money like I used to in the years past. You
yeah,
know,
yeah, yeah.
so the that is the power of the basketball team that was connected to American sports, and now we have the American
Yeah,
stock
yeah.
market.
One thing why I prioritize the basketball is that it is enshrined in our constitution. So
Hmm.
you just have to be given a priority. That's
Exactly.
why I just keep in touch with them.
Hmm. Well, I thank you, because everything's experiment. Until it works, it's just experiment. But you're the
Yeah,
one who
definitely.
made it look real.
Yeah.
Basketball, you made the basketball real, even in
Yeah.
in Igbo land where I'm from. Some people ran off with my money. So thank you for being serious and helping
You're
us
welcome, my brother.
As African people, to advance, because well, the stock market, the basketball and the stock market go hand in hand, where everybody's working on it. But I don't want to. I trust you and your communication with them, but the stock market has to power everything. It's like the battery.
Yeah.
Myself, and even people would be able to travel to Ghana. Myself, even I don't drive. I don't have a passport, so I'm relying on everybody, a lot of people, to do the work instead of me being the leader. So even I don't even have a passport yet. I have to get one. I never slowed down to get my. I need a birth certificate, and I have to get it mailed, and it's a. I have to get a passport. I'll just say that I'm not really seeing myself as a leader. But if everybody does the stock market in basketball, that'll be the way to raise the funds and keep everyone traveling and doing the business.
Oh my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, I think I have my passport since last year. Last year, because, I schooled in the Benin Republic, so I
Wow.
that's why I have my passport. Yeah.
Wow. And Benin Republic just signed. They signed deals with USA. I think African
Yeah.
Americans can become citizens, or African descendants, so Caribbean could be this. Benin is becoming more important, and they have the seaport, or maybe they could help. They could help Mali and Burkina Faso and
You know,
Niger, maybe.
we're not far from Benin here in Borgu. We're not
Yeah,
far from Benin.
Borgu is
Yeah.
half of Borgu is in Benin.
Yes, half of Borgu is in Benin. Sometimes we drive there even with bikes.
Well, not half.
We,
There's a Borgu in Burkina Faso. I think there's a
yeah.
Borgu in there's a Ghana, Togo, maybe even Ivory Coast. We don't even know. I think the Captain Borgu, he was released from prison, but I don't think he's been online because of, I don't know if you remember Gingere.
Yeah. Yeah, Captain Ginger.
So he was uniting the Borgu, and
Yeah.
he's Burkinabe, so I guess he was arrested for trying to unite people. So
Oh wow. Wow.
yeah, Ivory Coast is controlled by the president married a French woman, so the French woman is in control.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
crazy. That's what they do.
It's crazy.
But back to the basketball. Um, the funds would have to come through the stock market program, and just because you mentioned it, I'm going to try to everything we can. We have to do everything we can to get the stock market knowledge. These calls have to
That's
become
very important.
they have to become about the stock market. If we're not talking about the stock market, the call isn't going anywhere. And I rely on brother Trevor. I rely on brother Prince Yakubu to keep everybody on track, because it's it's at the end of the day, it's 2025. We need money to make things happen.
Yeah, 2025, we're gonna make things happen, my lord. And
Yeah.
I believe strongly with the stock.
hmm And the USA. So
Yeah,
my next calls will have to be the USA calls. Um, yeah. So we'll end the call. I'm going to try and see if I could get back in the Detroit call, USA call, and spread the word. But more likely, I have other cities that will be helping us, like St. Louis and um, Memphis. I think there's stock market trainers there. But let's conclude the call, and I'm going to double down on the USA and the stock market focus because I've been saying it for years and months that we just need USA. But I think I finished the USA network, and we're going to move forward with the stocks and being the general discussion. And I thank
yeah,
Brother Abdullah for everything because we've been trying for years and we've never had somebody like him with connections to Haiti that's in the islands and could connect everybody. So,
yeah,
so
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
thank you.
yeah. Thank you, my lord.
All right, thank you. We could conclude, or anybody else have anything to say? Brother Abdullah, Brother Trevor.
I'm all good. I'm all good. I'm all good. I'm
Okay,
following otherwise.
let's move forward. I'll add you back to the main group, Trevor, because I didn't understand. I understand now his connections, but you've done a great job. But also, if you can put together a document with everybody's contacts and say this is the UNIAACL-EACL Kazungula district, we can send it to Prince Yakubu in Niger and West Africa. We could send it to Brother Abdullah in the Haitian Association of Barbados, and that's all it takes. We can have a Africa call. Going forward, we have a USA call. We have so things will move forward faster. So I'll conclude
Oh,
the
yes.
call. Thank you.